Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to save your parking location on Google Maps in 2026. So if you ever forget where you parked, yeah, this feature can save you a lot of stress. First, open Google Maps on your phone. This feature works best on mobile since it uses your GPS in real time. Next, park your car and make sure your location is detected correctly. Google Maps will automatically track your last active position. Now tap the blue dot that shows your current location. Then select Save Parking or Set as Parking Location. You can also add notes like parking level, slot number, or nearby landmarks. This helps a lot in big parking lots. If you're using a timed parking spot, you can add a reminder so you don't overstay and get a fine. When you're ready to return, just open Google Maps and tap the saved parking location. It will guide you right back to your car. Once you've picked up your car, you can remove the saved parking spot to keep your map clean. So yeah, that's how to save your parking location on Google Maps in 2026. It's a small feature, but honestly, it's super useful in crowded places. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the knee.